Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video on iodine. It's just going to be all about iodine. My last iodine video was with nitrogen triiodide, so I'm going to do that again, and I'll actually show you the sensitivity instead of it just spontaneously exploding in front of me. I'm going to show a reaction with iodine and aluminum, and some other cool stuff. So let's get started. So if you're wondering what this is in, it's in an ampule, because iodine is a very volatile solid. Usually you hear volatile liquids, but this is a volatile solid. It instead of turning into a liquid, it sublimes and then turns into a liquid. So basically it just turns into a gas. You can see the fumes in there. So that's why it's in this ampule. And I actually have to hit it with a hammer to open it. So I'm gonna do that, put it into a container, and then I'll get started. Note, when you're working with iodine, always wear a respirator. Iodine, as I said, is volatile, and the fumes are very dangerous. It is the equivalent of chlorine gas. So always wear a respirator, wear gloves, and other standard PPE when working with iodine. Alright, so now we have it in a sealed container, and we are ready for the experiments. So let's get to it.
So the reaction that I was going to do started going by itself while I was mixing it. Look at that! Beautiful purple fumes. It just started burning before I even got to show you how to start it or anything. Very, as you can see, iodine is very, very dangerous when mixed with aluminum. Very sensitive. This was the mix with the aluminum, and I guess it was just such a good mix. It instantly ignited. Usually how you're supposed to ignite it, you put a couple drops of water, and it starts going. I sadly didn't get it, but there was a flame. Now it's just fuming. I think I ruined my cup. So that's 3 things. It's a beautiful, beautiful reaction. And then it just shows how iodine is just such a strong oxidizer. It's a halogen, so it's one of the most reactive elements. It's actually the heaviest of it's the heaviest stable halogen, and it's the only solid one. I don't want that iodine getting on my phone. But as you can see, very cool reaction. Very, very interesting. Alright, so I'm getting ready for the next iodine experiment, which is the sublimation of iodine. And after that reaction, the last reaction, the fumes filled the entire garage, so I had to open my garage door. My voice sounds muffled because I'm wearing a respirator. So I'm trying to get this hot plate started, and then I'll put some iodine on it and show the sublimation. It's very beautiful purple fumes, and it's very interesting. So I'll get to that soon. I've got my iodine, and I'm gonna pour it into here, and you'll see the sublimation. Alright. It's not hot enough yet. Oh, there it goes. You see it? Purple fumes. Let me put this on top. Alright. There you go. Purple. Nice purple. Right there. Alright, so it's been a little bit, and you can really see it's going now. If you look closely, you can see the iodine. You can see the fumes moving around in there. I don't know if you can see that. In real life, it's a very dark, beautiful violet. Oh, there we go. Sorry, it was out of focus. Very, very beautiful. You see the iodine fuming now, especially right there. You can see camera will focus. Large fumes coming off, and it's just fuming a lot. And that's why I have this top on it, so that it doesn't escape. But very beautiful, very good demonstration of sublimation. And you can also see, oh, you can't see. I want to see if I can try and focus it. But there's little crystals forming on the edge of iodine. Little iodine crystals. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see them shining. Still fuming. Very, very dark. You can really see them coming off now. Just look at that. And there's so many crystals. And, alright. I'm going to go put some ice in the top so that we can recrystallize all this iodine. I've got the ice on the top, and I don't need that ice on there. And I'm going to take the top off just so you can see really how much this is fuming, but only for a second. Wow, look at all those dark purple fumes. Alright, I'm putting that back on. So, as you can see, sublimation of iodine. I'll get back to you when it all recrystallizes. More iodine so that you can see the recrystallization better. And I think I went a bit overkill. There's I put a lot of iodine in there, and the hot plate is so hot you can see there's no more iodine. So that's a lot of iodine that can recrystallize out. You can see there's some gray shininess up there, and those are actually the iodine crystals. So it's working really well. Alright, so this is the results. Oh, focus, camera. Oh, great. Thanks, camera. Alright, well anyway, these are the crystals. It won't focus, but trust me, there's some really nice crystals there. I'm going to try and get a better shot. Alright, there we go. You can see them much better now. You can see they're very glittery, and it's not focusing again. There you go, look at that. Very beautiful crystals.
One more thing to show you. You may have heard that alkaline metals and halogens react violently, and this is indeed true. And to show that, I have right here sodium metal and then the iodine, and I'm going to start the reaction with some water. So, let's see how this goes. I added too much water, god dang it. That's just the sodium. Still pretty though. Oh wow. There you go. Reaction between, oh, there you can see the iodine fuming. So that's the reaction between iodine and sodium. Very beautiful sodium flame there. Alright. Well, that's the end of the video. See ya.